You've probably experienced it. IT problems piling up, slowing down your team, frustrating employees, and draining your budget. In fact, downtime costs businesses an average of $5,600 per minute, according to Gartner. It's easy to think of these problems as small hiccups, but as Justin Nevins, VP of Engineering at OXEN Technology, points out, when you treat recurring IT issues like small hiccups, you're missing the real cost: lost momentum, wasted resources, and distracted leadership. So, what happens when those issues keep piling up? They turn into bigger problems. From reactive IT support that leads to longer downtimes and hidden revenue loss, to misconfigured networks and outdated security measures, every neglected detail adds up. Overloaded servers, poor system integration, and slow support only compound the issue. Without proactive management, you're stuck in a cycle of costly fixes that disrupt productivity. The good news? These problems aren't inevitable. You need a partner who actively monitors your systems, keeps your devices updated, and addresses issues before they escalate. A strong IT strategy will align your technology with your business goals, reduce recurring problems, and save you money in the long run. To learn how to stop IT issues from holding your business back and get actionable tips on how to avoid them, head to the full article on our website. Don't let IT problems pile up any longer. Take action today.